CMOS supplements have exploded online, and Force Factor CMOS is one of the most popular. But is it truly beneficial or just overpriced hype? I took it for 30 days, and here's the truth. Each serving contains Irish sea moss, bladderwrack, and burdock root, a trio meant to support thyroid function, immunity, skin, and digestion. It's loaded with minerals like iodine and magnesium, which are great for energy and metabolism. Within 2 weeks, I noticed slightly clearer skin and less fatigue in the mornings. My digestion improved too, but it's hard to say if it was purely the capsules or better hydration habits. The biggest plus, it's easy to take and has no weird aftertaste. Now the flaws. The benefits are subtle, not dramatic. It's also much pricier than generic sea moss shots or other capsule brands offering the same blend. Some users expect a full detox effects that is unrealistic. Overall, Force Factor sea moss isn't a scam. It's just an expensive inconvenience. If you value brand trust and simplicity, then go for it. Otherwise, you can get similar results for half the price. And that is my review of the Force Factor sea moss.